Today we're going to learn about AVL tree. AVL trees are a type of self-balancing binary search tree, known after its inventor Adelson Velsky and Landis. It also similar to red block trees. Remember, for this type of trees, we may need to perform fix to keep the tree height balanced. This guarantees specific time complexity for operation. AVL trees have a time complexity of big O of log n per search, insert, and delete. As a reminder, the definition of height is the number of nodes on the longest path from the root to a leaf node. The central property of AVL trees is that for any node, the height of its two subtree differ by at most 1. We call this the balance factor, which is found by taking the height of the left subtree and subtracting the height of the right subtree. This means that valid values of balance factor are -1, 0, and 1. Let's take a look at balanced AVL tree example. As we notice, the balance factor for each node has equal of 0. It means it is a balanced AVL tree. Let's move to rotation. Rotation is the process of shifting the root of a subtree so that one of its children take its place. This is done when a node is inserted or deleted, causing the tree to become unbalanced. Unbalanced tree is one where the difference in height between two subtrees is greater than 1 or -1. There are 4 types of rotation in an AVL tree. First, left rotation. Left rotation shifts the balance to the left when a node's right subtree is heavier than its left. Second, right rotation. Right rotation shifts the balance to the right when a node's left subtree is heavier than its right. The third, left-right rotation. Left-right rotation is a combination of a left rotation followed by a right rotation. And last, right-left rotation. Right-left rotation is a combination of a right rotation followed by a left rotation. Now let's move to insertion in AVL tree. It involves adding nodes while keeping the tree balanced. Rotation are key operation in AVL trees, maintaining balance when nodes are added or removed. It also similar to insertion in a binary search tree, but after inserting an element, you need to fix the AVL properties using left or right rotation. If there is an imbalance in the left child, right subtree, perform a left-right rotation.